follow Thomas on YouTube. I have been reading it as Tag Piles the entire time. Welcome to my dyslexic brain. I have been reading it wrong the entire time, and now I know. Hi. Hi, everybody. Welcome on in. Hello, Tap. And Rimney on YouTube. Hi, Aurora. Hi, Antoine. Hi, Falcon the Shaheen. Welcome in. You already started building? Oh, nice. I like it. Hi, Derek. Hi, Welshie. Nice to see you. As usual, I have to go and set TikTok live because TikTok hates me. Let me just sort that out. There we go. Hello, TikTok. Welcome. Welcome. Enjoy your lurk, Welshie. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Also, that's a really cute lurk emote. I like it. Yeah, happy Thursday. Guess what? Freebuild mode just dropped. Map. Freebuild map, not mode. I keep saying mode because that's what I automatically go to, but it's Freebuild map. Has just dropped, and we are really excited to share that with everybody, and I am going to be streaming a bit of that today. And showing you what it looks like, what the difference is, what we've added in the tutorial. And yeah, I'm excited. That's a cute emote, Aurora. Where did you get that from? I like it. Yeah, we're also going to do 2 prize draws today, but we're going to do those later on. I'm going to do one about halfway through the stream and then one at the end of the stream. Those are for Modulus merch bundles, which includes, hang on, I can't point, the cool kit that we gave to creators that I unboxed on last Thursday's stream. So people will get one of those. Yeah, Aurora is everywhere. Everywhere. Hi, Helmy. Welcome in. Hi, Mick. So yeah, we're going to do those 2 prize draws at some point. One is for the screenshot contest that was on Steam. That is for anyone who uploaded a screenshot between launch and now, has been entered. Aurora very diligently went through and wrote down everybody's name for me, and I've put them all into a random generator, so we'll do that on stream. And then the other prize draw is for our community legends. So if you're part of our Discord server, you'll notice that some people have the community legend role. They get a shiny name, and I think there's a little badge with it as well. Did I give you guys a badge? I'm pretty sure I gave you a badge. Let me just check, because I have slept since I did this. Yeah, you've got a little party badge. You got the party bot badge. Those people are the people that are really supportive in the Discord. They help each other. They share things. They're excited about things. They help us. Tugan, I don't know how to say that name, just got the role because they've just been working on the wiki page for us, which we're really excited for. So there's loads of different ways you can get that role. And every 6 months we do a prize draw for those people as a little thank you for being awesome. So yeah, we're gonna do those today. Hi, Dimava. I'm gonna go with Dimava, and hope that I got that correct. Hi, Ghost Wolf. Welcome in. So let's just go to the game screen and jump into the game. TikTok is slightly behind as usual. Sorry, TikTok. General. There we go. Oh, I've disappeared on TikTok. There we go. I'm back. Okay. So Freebuild mode. Map. I need Aurora to like pinch me virtually every time I say it wrong. Now, when you start the game, every single time I close my camera or click off my camera on TikTok, it like vanishes. Let's put it up there. There we go. Okay. Yeah, now when you start a new game, you get a choice. So you can play what we are calling the classic map, which is the recommended way to play Modulus. This is the handcrafted islands that have certain different terrain blockers on them, and they're designed to test your sort of logistical skills when you lay things out. How can you use the space you've been given to make the best factories possible? And there's more of a puzzle element in the classic map, and we still recommend this is the main way to play Modulus. But for those people who would prefer just a clean slate to build on, we get that. And we also get that that is something that quite a lot of people have wanted. So we've added an alternate way to play. It's not replacing anything. It is just, I just saw what Rimney said. It is just an additional way to play. You can also unlock achievements if you use the free build map. So it's just literally a different way to play it. And this one gives you larger islands. So they're different to the classic map. And the resources are laid out in a logistical fashion, which allows you to more easily create blueprints and copy and paste things from one island to another, and the terrain blockers are not there. I like what Rimney was like, your logistical skills or your ability to make more spaghetti, which I feel like is a predictor of what I am going to do today. It's almost like Rim has seen me stream this game before. Thanks for the follow, Falcon. Thanks for the follow. I know how to soup. Great name. I know how to soup. And hi, welcome in. Christian! Hello, and hello, Tetrico? Hi, Tet. So yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna chat is the best. There we go. The bestie, that's fine. Typos happen, I'm sticking with them. We're keeping the typos. Oh, that was loud in my ears. Is the game too loud or is it just loud enough? Chat, let me know. Right, sorry, Atlas. We've already read all this a few times on stream, so I love you. You're cute, but we're going through. Good volume. Thank you, Tap. I'm never going to forget your name now that I know that I've been reading it wrong for the last, like, 3 weeks. I'm so sorry. Okay, right. So, as you can see, the map looks a bit different. I'm being told what to do, so it made me zoom in. But, as you can see here, this is the first island. All of the polyrock is laid out in a grid format. It's much different to the way it was laid out in the classic map, and there's no terrain blockers like on the original map over here. This delivery dock is kind of like here, placed behind like a cliff that rises up, and it's not now. It's just there and ready for you to build. Yeah, this is, I guess that's what you could say, Tommy. You could call it an easier mode, or you could call it free build, which is what we've called it. However, it still requires thinking, and you're going to see just how challenging I find that sometimes. The only polyrock that isn't laid out in the grid format is the ones that are in the tutorial, mostly because there's a reason for it. We wanted to show you something with the tutorial, and that was one of the other changes that we have made. So now, because one of the most common things that come up is that we didn't tell you clearly enough that you can belt through miners, we're now telling you in the tutorial. So you don't have to wait until you randomly see one of my streams and I tell you about it. You'll now be told in the tutorial. It's no longer secret information. My mind was blown. Yeah, Soup, loads of people said that. Like, the playtesters had the game for like months, and then I streamed it and they were like, wait, what? What? So we noticed and we have added it in. I've got a giant glass of lemonade that's really heavy, so I have to use both hands. Bear with me. It's like really heavy. I said this in Discord, restarting is worth it since you can now just focus on the factory aspect rather than trying to navigate the puzzle. Yeah, I think the other thing is that like it gives you a reason. If you've already played the creative mode, if you've already played the classic map, you can now go back and start a new factory and do it in a different way, which I think is really cool, because it's probably going to look very different to how you did it the first time, right? Okay, now look, conveyor belts are used to move resources across your factory. They can also be placed through miners. Click and drag to place a conveyor line. Oh, she's going through. She's going through. Hopefully people will be satisfied. Yeah, a goblet. I like that. It's a goblet of lemonade. It's very sunny. It's summer and I am inside, so I'm making myself feel like I'm at the beach with a glass of lemonade. And also, I know that I always lose my voice when I stream, so I'm trying to avoid that today. Okay, let's go. I ain't hanging about today, by the way. I'm gonna be building and getting shiz done because I have now done this starting bit like 1,000 times. And I just want to see what I can do without the constraints around it. I'm quite excited about that. Ba, 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 ba. Hello. Hello.
New module created.
Thanks, Olma. Slava! Welcome in. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Payday, end of the month. Not long to wait now. What is it? What's the date today? 16th. It's not that far. Oh, wait. No. Need to do the crane first. Crane. Boom. Okay. There we go. Nice work. So this is the reason why we kept the polyrock for the tutorial in this formation. Because when we changed it all to a grid, apart from the starting one, when you copy and paste it, it like copied and pasted it in the middle of the grid and it was annoying. So we left it with these two just as they are. Just as they are. You've modded E to accept like in Factorio. Please implement that. You can rebind the keys to anything you want. And add a crane hotkey. Dim, put that in feature upvote. Aurora, will you whack the link in the chat? Feature upvote is where we look for all the suggestions from the community. Oh, you have? Brilliant. Okay, in that case, feel free to post the link in the Modulus channel in Discord so that people can vote on it and click it up if they agree. Okay, right, copy. No, I always select move instead of copy. It's like a problem of mine. And Thomas always calls me out on it. I'm like, I know I did it. You are now free to build however you want. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. 15 per minute. I am going... Do I just follow the tutorial or do I start optimizing now? Do I? I don't know. Rim, it's only supposed to get up to 18 today and the next 2 days is... Oh no! That is sad, Rim. That is sad. It's really warm here. And the British people are just not used to the warmth. We're not used to it. We don't do well. Okay. I am only producing 15 per minute. Okay, yeah, right. We will split this into 1, 2, 1, turn, cut, boom, boom, and then I'm gonna... No, not rotate, mirror, you poo. That answers your question. No, I don't have them ingrained in my head. I press R or T wrong all the time. I always hit delete instead of copy. Thank God for undo. Yeah, bite. Undo is my saving grace. It's my saving grace. Will I use the Modulus Academy tips? I will try to use the Modulus Academy tips because I did edit them. So I have watched them 1,000 times. I'm going to do that with paint 100%. Like 100% I'm going to do that with paint.
New module created.
New module created. I love Olma. Oh, wait. One more. There we go. I know those hotkeys off by heart. La 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 la. Wee. Okay. Add clean. There we go. And now I'm going to up the production because this is stressing me out. No way, you bought this recently and you were just about to start playing it? Thank you, Michael. I appreciate that. I hope you have a wonderful time with our game. And it's nice to see. Oh, I disappeared off TikTok again. TikTok hates me. It hates me. It always makes me disappear. Make a loop around the whole island. I mean, you joke. You have not seen. You have not seen my original spaghetti mess that was my factory. Paint early, not often. Yes, that is the saving grace. I just want to watch the building finish because I find it really satisfying. Hello, building. Are you going to be beautiful for me? I might just put another one down now while we've got it. There? No, that's too far forward. I cannot cope with that. That has to go in line with that. There we go. I think this game is bringing out OCD. Not as much as some of you, because when you watch me, I know I make you cry inside sometimes, but it's getting there. There's still a visual bug where the building won't have construction animation. That, can you make sure if you've already reported it, go back to the thread in the bug report, Christian, and add to it and just say, by the way, it's still here so that Preet can see it. Preet is our head of QA. Oh my god, what did Nightbot do to Thomas? Nightbot! That is so rude. I am so sorry, Thomas. Nightbot, I don't know what they did. No disassemble, stop spanning symbols, warning. Can you still chat? Nightbot, that was just rude. Unbelievable behavior from the bot. Unbelievable behavior. You really like the demo, so you're excited to see what the full game has in store. Thank you, that's really nice to hear. That's really, really nice to hear. Okay, right, anyway, we should probably do what we were supposed to do. I'm getting... Nightbot is our worst employee, you are correct. Nightbot is the worst. The actual worst. Right, where are the cores? Not the cores, the polyrock formations. They're there. So I'm going to put this one here. I'm just going to do this for now. Whee. And I'm going to do this. There we go. Basic bot assembly. You are going here. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to do 2. No, I'm going to do 3. Because we're going to be more conscious of optimization on this side of things. It hurts my soul. Look at this all in a row. Look at this. It's all in a row. How satisfying is that? We're going to belt them up, and then we're going to furnace them, and then we're going to copy and paste it across all of... Get out the way! There we go. We're going to copy and paste it across. Can I mirror that to take up less space? I can. Awesome. Right. I'm only going to do those, because I might do those in the other direction. I haven't decided yet. So that's going to be 30. Okay, what did we need to make for this one? Just the standard skinny one and the black one. You've mentioned Preet. Brilliant, thank you. Preet will see it then. He will see it. And yeah, let you know, which is good. Hi. Ooh, what was that? I just got a Google Calendar invite for something that I totally forgot. But it's not on my work calendar, so it's okay. Oh dear. Right. Let's do this. I literally muted Slack so no one could complain that there were Slack noises in the background, and then I forgot that Google was going to do it too. So when I start this new map, am I going to have to unlock everything in the tech tree again? Yes. If it's a new save, then yes, that's what you will do. I believe. Okay. I'm gonna go with the skinny one first. So let's make a big boy. There we go. Where's the other block? Come on, other block. There we go. Hello. And then that is going to output 15 a minute, which means I can put a cutter straight on there. Cutter is going to then turn this way and... No, I always do that. In my brain, I don't know if anybody else does this or it's just me, but in my brain, I'm like, I want more cuts. So I go to the button with the more bits on it, but it's not. It's this one. Do it every time. Michael, controller support is actually something we would love to add. It's something we're talking about, how we're going to do it, because Steam Deck is also something that we want to optimize for. It is playable on Steam Deck, but there's some work that we can do around like UI scaling and controller support and things like that. So it is on the menu. But yeah, it's on the menu. I've noticed some people play way zoomed out. I'm more medium distance so I can see what I'm doing. What am I doing? Am I too zoomed out? Do you play like this? I play really quite zoomed out.
Created.
Thanks, Olma. My queen. Boom. 1. No, hey, this one. Add crane. 1. Add crane. 1. There we go. Okay. And then the tall skinny boy. I think we're going to do it a different way than I did over there. I'm going to do this. There we go. Come on. I just feel like doing it differently. How are blueprints between saves coming along? Question. Do you mean being able to share blueprints with other people, or do you mean just on your computer using your blueprints on another save? Because I thought you could do that. I might be wrong. Aurora, ask a dev, or if a dev is in chat. I've started routing 8x8x8 around the island and it works great. Oh, clever. Clever, clever, clever. Okay. There we go. And then I'm going to split this. And then I'm going to put this one here, this one here. Going to turn you and cut you. Control. There we go. And then monotoner. Oh, I should have put the monotoner there. Oh, well. Nah, never mind. I'll put the monotoners here. I don't care. That should be new module created.
New module.
There we go. So the game right now is on a 10% discount. It does depend where you live. In the UK right now it is $17.99, and I believe it's $22 in the US. I can't say because I can't see the American one right now, and if I click off this I'll disappear. But there is a 10% launch discount at the moment. When you save a blueprint, you can use that blueprint in any game you save. You have blueprints in. Okay, so once you've unlocked the blueprints, you can then use them. Thank you, Tap. Okay. I'll go around the other side of the building then, I guess. If I left a gap there, I have. Okay. La 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 la. I'm gonna move this guy over one. And these two over, and then I can do this. Oh. This is way convoluted. I've already made the spaghetti happen. The spaghetti has already happened. She's already done it. She's already made the spaghetti. There we go. And then here, over this side, here, over this side, and here, over this side. There we go. Look at my little production line. I'm going to have to redo this in a minute because this is going to annoy the hell out of me. You could wishlist it, official, and then when there's maybe a bigger sale in the future, you could get it then. Wishlist. You just killed the output rate of those final cutters. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. I need to split first and then do it. Oh, why am I like this? Why am I like this? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, the demo's free. Very good point, Tap. Tap, we should hire you. Hang on. I need to fix my mistake. I made an error. Okay, now I've done it. Yeah, I should have done that earlier, but I was dumb. Okay, hang on. Everyone's given me their own design ethos here. I was dumb, okay? Oh, there's not enough room. I love the move tool. It makes life so much easier. You can go in the bin. There we go. And then... There we go. Oh, this one's now confused because they're black instead. Wait, what? There we go. It was like, what? What happened here? We need to clear the belt of the white ones. Get lost. There we go. We got there in the end. Yeah, I really like that about the harvester pad. They can move and you don't lose efficiency. Because before, like, you had to have them really close for it not to mess it up. So, yeah, I really like that update. You've completed... You've just... Derek, do you know what? It wouldn't surprise me if you do it by this evening. It wouldn't surprise me, buddy. It really wouldn't. I swear this is the heaviest cup I've ever used. It's wild. Okay. Right, now I've fixed the output there. It's way better. It's way, way better. I need to sort this out. This is not happening. I'm not waiting to come back here. We're doing it now. We're doing it now. We're sorting it out. Okay. This one is gonna go there. This one is gonna go like this. I can't wait. I want to sort it out now. I never used to care about stuff like this. You've changed me, chat. You've changed me. You have changed me. I need to move this over a little bit now so I can... I'm gonna bring you over here. And I'm gonna bring you down here. And then... Should I just copy that? Am I being really dumb here? I feel like I should just do this. I'll put it back here and then there's more space. And then... I've already made the spaghetti happen. This is very upsetting. What we have learned, I think, is that no two people like the same thing. Ta-da! Okay. Are we gonna... Is that gonna start... It's still not right. There's still something wrong. What have I done wrong? Hang on. That's upsetting me. Oh no, now it is full. It is full now. Okay, we're good. We're good. We have a full... No, we don't. We have one missing. What have I done wrong? Esky! Hi, Esky. Welcome in. Nice to see you. It is warm in here. Okay, you guys can all be upgraded already, so this is just... Oh, I can't do it yet. Okay. Create and deliver the first module of the basic... Yep, okay. We need to do this now. We haven't been paying enough attention to what I was actually supposed to be doing. I've been ignoring the game. Why do I... Can I cram them over here? I feel like I can. No, what I'm gonna do... I want this. No, why do I keep not... This is what happens if I don't zoom out loads. I need... Oh my goodness. There we go. Right. We're getting there. Hi, on the other... Oh, dimmers everywhere. Dimmers everywhere. Hi. You need a pad for those 3 buildings. They're doing nothing. Yeah, I know. I haven't got that far yet. I'm just trying to plan out where I want to put buildings. 1, 2, 3. Am I ever going to get that far, or are they always going to get taken by these ones? I think I have not produced enough. I haven't produced enough of these somehow. I'm very confused. Playing the long game. Yeah, I'm working things out in my brain. Anyway, I'm gonna need another one of these for the ones that are gonna go to the other building. I'm gonna link it to that one. Oh, they are being made. It's just going very slow. Okay. Harvester pad. I'm gonna need 2 for now, aren't I, until I upgrade. So I'll put 1 here. Connect there and there, and then I'll have to put another one here. And connect him to here. And then, can I tunnel? Can I tunnel under you? I can. Absolutely fantastic. Boom. Look at our little body bots. Hello, boys. Hello. Let's just get you delivered. I'll think about everything else in a minute. I feel like... No, no. Sorry, Mr. Bots. This is upsetting me. I'll deliver these ones on their own because I don't want them to go to waste because I care about them. They can go. But what I'm going to do is do it further back here so that then there's space. There we go. I'm not being so good at reading chat today because I'm actually concentrating on my factory.
Delivery target completed.
I'm not missing it in the tech tree, but there is no... Yeah, no, there's no crane speed upgrade. It's the amount of cranes rather than the speed. It is something that other people have fed back, and I believe there is a feedback you can upvote on the upvote board about it, if it's something you're passionate about in terms of speed, because the more people that want it, the more likely it is to happen. I think the reason, and the devs can correct me if I'm wrong, is because they wanted the ratio to stay consistent with how many items per crane was needed, and if the speed changed, that would be different. I think that's the reason. But yeah. Oh, can't even hear me. Someone tell him what I said. Hi, Rigbeard, welcome in. Nice to see you. Okay, our bots are being delivered like that. Now I was going to try and fit them in here, but I feel like that's a mistake. I'm probably going to belt around the back. I'm going to belt around the back. That's what we're going to do. We're going to belt around the back. We'll decorate later. We're going to go a bit further away. That hurts my soul that I've done one further than the others. There we go. Right. Oreo time! Rim, you legend. You're the best. We already got a rank up and I didn't even notice. Okay, yeah. Pin. Get up there. Okay. Right. I'm now just going to copy all of this. Hey. Hey. Oh, hang on. There. And rotate. Wait, why can't that go there? Ah! I pressed the wrong button. What did I do wrong? I thought I was being smart. There we go. Boom. Okay. La 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 la. I'm gonna get rid of the belts that are out the front and redo those. Okay. I haven't got dark mode on. I just noticed. I like dark mode. I'll put dark mode on in a minute. We're going round. We're going round. Okay. Dark mode, where are you? Be my friend. There we go. Also, you can turn up the max zoom settings now as well, so you can zoom out even further. Obviously, I just got an error. Ignore that. That's dev build stuff. Look! Look how far out you can go now. You can get a really good idea of what your battery looks like from far away, and I appreciate that. Oh no, your audio died? Am I working? Can other people hear me? Do you know about the searchable webpage with the tech tree that you made? I do know. Or are you asking Jake? No, yeah, you weren't missing it. You weren't missing it. We're also working on that, but Tap/Thomas made a mod that you can find in the Discord mod forum that lets you search the tech tree, which is really cool. And it's something that we're looking at. Okay. I want it to be daytime or dawn time so I can see better. There we go. Right. I think I'm gonna cube up is what I'm gonna do. Back here, clear. No, stop. Jarves, stop being a dumb bum. I was being dumb. I was being dumb. I'm still overfeeding this one. I need to split earlier on, don't I? I need to move this up here. And then I need to split here because this is now 60 and that only takes in 30. So that will be 30 going here. And that makes that... Yeah, okay, hang on. Hang on. And then another splitter. Oh no, we can just copy that. And I'm going to mirror it and put it... Oh wait, I did move again! Control Z. I did it again. Wait! Ah! Oh! I am so dumb. I am so dumb. Mirror. There we go. Got there eventually. You found it in the upvote entry? Amazing. Ah, welcome in, P. Quilly. Thank you, that's awesome. You had to restart your PC. It was okay, good. At least it's not me being crazy. Thank you, Michael. I always doubt my audio because usually it is me being stupid. 9 times out of 10 it is me. Okay, I am going to make this one black straight away. And then I'm gonna cut it. Let me just double check. This is outputting 15. That takes 15. That takes 15. We're good. We're good. Okay. We're going to do that. Which will output 60. And then I'm going to split that. 30 on one, 30 on the other. We're getting there. My brain. My little brain. My little brain is trying. Yeah, the layout is, you know, we listened to people, basically. People wanted this, so it's not a change in terms of it's not now the only way you can play it. You can still play it the other way, but you can also play it now with the grid formation. Oh, cup. Welcome in. I am bacon. Now I'm hungry. What was I trying to do? Or I was going for this one first, wasn't I? Yes. Okay. So here, what have I done here? I've got... Okay, yeah, one of these I'm going to cut. Boom. And then the other one is going to stay as a big boy. And go there. And then I'm going to do this. Hey, get over here. There. Okay. And then this I need. Thank you. Thank you. Boom. Okay. So one I want to cut in two. And then one I want to add back together again, right? Wait, no. One I want to add to itself. My little brain is like absolutely not working fast enough. That works though, right? Because that's 15 per minute and that was 30, so I split it into two and now it's, yeah, okay, that works. I want to add you together. And then you, I want to cut. No! Yes! I know what I want to do in my brain. Sometimes you read things and I don't see and I wonder if you're not streaming in other places. Wait, what? No, I see people's names and I say hi to people's names. Or maybe my internet's faster than yours. You are in a completely different part of the world to me, so it could just be that. I want to cut that. That's what I want to do. So that's outputting 15 per minute, which can go into this one, which I can now cut, I hope, into... Yes, I can. Yes, I can. She worked it out. It might have taken a while, but she got there. However, this one now is annoying because I'm going to have to like tunnel underneath, I think. Hang on. Out, round, under, tunnel. Oh, it didn't automatically tunnel for me. That was rude. Rude. Okay. Oh, that's why. Hang on. There we go. There we go. That's what I wanted. There we go. We got there in the end. New module created. Go on, Elmet, tell me.
New module created.
Thank you. Thank you, Elmet. Aurora's laughing at me. Hi, P7 Plum. Welcome in. Aurora laughed at me. I know I'm silly sometimes. Okay, next, I want to... No, stop pressing T when you mean to press R. There we go. I want to do one monotoner. One knot. Then I want to do that. Hey, look at me go! I'm on fire. Thanks, Alma. My queen. I'm sorry, guys, but this is the most logical I have ever been about making stuff, and I think you should all be very proud of me. Yes, I know. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. However, I'm not outputting a lot. I'm not outputting a lot. I have not been very efficient. I have made this very compact, but I've not been very efficient with this. Because they're now only outputting 15 per minute of each, which is like a quarter of what we want. Which is kind of hurting my soul, and I feel like I want to tear it down already. And just make one module on one side, and then the other module maybe coming from over here. Because this is hurting my soul. Christian, shush! I was so proud that I worked it out in a really compact space. And then I was like, Yeah, but that's really slow. I don't deserve the woot that I got from Tap. I don't deserve it. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm gonna trash this one, I think. Make that over there and up the production of this one. But I can't, my brain doesn't work in like stages. I have to like just rewrite that whole section. Otherwise my brain can't do it. My brain's like, no, what have you done? Because over here I know what's going on. I'm making this one. This one's fine. I understand this. But it's this side. I can't deal with this. I can't. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm ashamed. Okay, so that is 60, 30 and 30. Okay, let's just focus on one thing at a time. We're in the cramped space, so let's just do this one because this one makes more sense to me to make over here. So I need to split this one again and this one again, and then I'm gonna do this. I have to talk through it in my head, okay? I know I'm weird. But it's the only way my brain works. Then I'm gonna monotone this one. This one's gonna stay white. Then we're gonna cut and cut. We're gonna do the same cut though. Badoof. In half. Yep. No! Oh, I tried to copy config and it just ignored me. There we go. So then that is now outputting 30? Yes, okay. I literally doubted myself at every step of the game now. It happens once, and then the brain just stops. Reddish is back! Hi, Reddish, how are you, lovely? Nice to see you. Okay, then I want to split again. So this is 30. And then I want to cut again. There we go. No! Ugh! Oh, it's because I'm pressing shift and not control. Idiot. Oh, wait. I cocked it up. I pressed the wrong buttons. I was a dodo. No, Jarves! Why do I keep pressing the wrong button? I'm getting performance anxiety. That's what it is. There we go. That's what I wanted. You're good! Oh, no! Damn ISPs. Okay, now I've drunk most of it, it's a little bit easier to lift it up. It was hard work. Okay. Now... that'll be outputting 30 and 30. Yes. So fun seeing some replicate my exact experience of making the smallest thing possible. Thank you, P. Okay. Math is not my strong suit. Let's go. Okay. T. Oh no, it's gonna get in the way. Let's go up here a little bit. I've run out of room! Crisis. Crisis. She has run out of room. This is a crisis. T. Ah! No! No! Why am I like this? Zaroon! Welcome back. How are you? Thomas Dzergel. Or you could turn the other splitter on the top leading to the cutters. Wait, this guy! Yeah, that is smart. Why am I so dumb? Thank you. Thank you, chat. This is why I need you. I can't do life without chat. Chat, make me make more sense. And then I can do the same here, right? Thanks, chat. You're the best. Okay, go away. It's still gonna... That's still gonna block that one, so I'm gonna do it a little bit further away on that one. There we go. Okay, right. Hang on. Right. Yeah, okay, we're good, we're good. So you got 15 gonna come out of there, 15 are gonna come out of there. They're all gonna be black. 15 and 15 are gonna come out of there. We need... This game is so good. Thank you. It's better than I am, because I am dumb. Alright. I don't know what I want to do. I'm having decision paralysis. Because I now know that I have that, like, that... What is it called? Where I have to, like, try and get the top side and the bottom side both to go into an assembler. But they're coming out of opposite ways. I hate my brain. Okay. I'm not gonna spin it yet, I think I'm gonna I need help, chat. Basically, the goal is to get them in an assembler, and I think I'm gonna need 4 assemblers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I need each one of these to go to one of these, and each one of these to go to one of these. This is gonna be spaghetti incorporated.
Target complete.
Oh, thank you, Omit. Thank you. I appreciate you. This is gonna be hell. This is gonna be hell. Because I've already... Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna tunnel... No. Oh! Oh! No! I can't remember the video. I need to watch Modulus Academy. We need the routing. Which episode was it? Hang on. It was the logistics one, right?
Getting with a wedding.
Shut up. Okay, hang on. Let's all pause and watch Modulus Academy. YouTube, while I'm watching Modulus Academy, I won't be able to see YouTube chat because I am now going to be using Modulus Academy in place of it.
You know what you're getting with Premiere In.
We're willing to offer
Adverts.
$185.
Hey module makers, I'm David, the creative director of Modulus. Welcome to Modulus Academy, where I give you my top tips for peak optimization. So today we're going to talk about something very specific, which is more focused on logistics, I would say, and organizing your factory. So to explain a concept, I've added a dye mixer down here, which is effectively making blue paint. So at the start of your factory, this will probably be the way to go.
Thank you,
because
David.
you're not producing that much yet, and one mixer can just take in the stuff you're building. But as you progress through the game, you will start producing much more resources resources, and you have to kind of start setting up arrays of these operators to set up. So here I'm effectively using 30 per minute for both resources, and I'm outputting 60 per minute. So everything is working optimal. It's just not the prettiest sight to look at. You know, when you start making these kinds of builds, eventually it's cleaner to understand. So
here we go.
This is kind of like the angular approach, I would call it, where one of the resources comes from the north or vertical, and the other one comes in a horizontal way inside. So here you can see that my pigment is being split off in the horizontal lines, and the oil is split off in my vertical lines, which it makes it easier to understand when you're looking at it.
Oh, wait. So okay, hang on. This changes things. I was thinking that I need to split straight away, but I don't. I can do one single belt and then split it later on, right? Right? Chat, help! One straight belt, 2 splitters come off it into the assemblers. Sponsored, but yeah, I know. Yeah! Oh, why am I like this? I love you, chat. You're the best. You help me. You help me. Okay, I can see you now, Tap. I can see you now. We're back. Alright. Ignore this ridiculous setup here. This is stupid. We don't need this just yet. Okay, so I can just do one belt and then split them. Okay, you guys can just go over here out of the way for a minute. So. Okay, I'm gonna actually do this so it's got more space. Okay, so that should now effectively have a full belt, right? Yes, it does. And that one also has a full belt. Okay, so then I can start splitting it over here. And do tunnels, right? So this is now 1330. I can tunnel that 30 directly to there. Oh my god! I don't understand how people's brains work like this. Every single day, I go into Discord and I look at the things you guys do, and it just blows me away. It blows me away. You can split right into the assemblers. Wait, what? Oh, like next to each other. Oh, all right, hang on. This changes things. So you mean like... Look at the next one in the video and you'll understand what I mean. That's only 30. I need to split again first. Right, hang on. He goes there. T. Oh, wait. Hang on. That should be 15 and 15, right? Thomas is my guide. Yeah. So, I am not a coder or a mathematician, just in case you couldn't tell, other Thomas. I'm the head of comms, but I also am the writer and accessibility lead. So, maths is not my strong suit, in case you didn't notice. Or just move the splitter one over and then everything slots right in. Wait, what? Oh, you mean this guy? Hang on. Hang on. I get ya. And then I could have just put that straight there. Right, okay. Hallelujah! Too many Thomases! I know. There's Thomases everywhere. We got one guy going. This is gonna still end up as chaos. You know this. Because this one is gonna... I'm gonna bring this around here. Oh my god, I hate myself. I hate myself. I hope David isn't watching this. I feel like I've let the side down. No, tunnel underneath. Look, do what you're told. This one needs to go... Copy this guy. Alright. What do you mean I don't need tunnels? Yes, I do. Otherwise, it's just the black one's gonna end up on the white belt. I need to watch the next layout. Okay, hang on. I'm not gonna change the scene. I'm gonna go to the next layout. Oh, this is the what you guys call manifold? Is that right?
Sequential approach, where we're using splitters and the extra resources will automatically be sent through the next lane. So what happens here is that I'm just splitting this whole belt in two.
Huh. I need to try and copy that. Okay. Tegan! Hello. I talked about you earlier. I said that you were doing a marvelous job. A marvelous job of sorting out our wiki page. Our wonderful wiki page. I build very simple. Building was 15. Oh, okay, that is clever. That is clever. You generally start with 2 parallel cutters and then split and then pass on 1 belt around. I am gonna... This chaos is not happening. I'm gonna try and do what David did in Modulus Academy with the...
You would think that half of it goes to...
The splitter... like facing each other and the bit in the middle. I'm gonna try doing that. So again, we're gonna delete all of this. So I don't need to like... That would just carry on going. Oh, my brain doesn't work. My brain has stopped. I'm like genuinely... Let me see if this makes sense in my head when I'm doing it. I need to put YouTube chat back on because I've lost you again. Yeah, you use tunnels out. I'm almost there. I need you guys. Whilst we wait, we're going to do one of the prize draws because I said I was going to do it halfway through the stream and it's halfway through the stream. Chonka, what a great name over on TikTok. I love that name. Let me switch back over to big view so that we can see the wheels. There we go. Chat in. There we go. Hello. Okay, so we are going to draw the Community Legends draw first. That's what we're going to do. We'll do the Community Legends one first. This is the back end. You don't need to see this. This is the big one that is for the screenshot contest, and this is the Community Legends one. So these are all of the people that are current Community Legends in our Discord server. If you want a chance to be a community legend, all you need to do is join the Discord server and be an active and positive member of the community. And yeah, every 6 months we do a prize draw where you get a chance to win some Modulus merch. This time you're going to get the Modulus hoodie that none of us have yet, other than 2 people in the community, I think, and the Modulus kit that we sent out for launch that had the paper fold robot. It had the awesome beanie, and it had the drone kit that is made out of blocks that are legally distinct. So, without further ado, let's do the win. Oh, that was so close! Congratulations, Christian! Let's have some hype in the chats for Christian. Christian, I will DM you either after the stream today or first thing tomorrow to sort out getting your sizes and prizes sent out. So congratulations. And then later on, we will do the big one, which is all of the people that entered the screenshot contest. All of the people that entered the screenshot contest. And I might as well just say this now, because I'm here and you guys are listening, but I will actually make a post about this tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're going to start the next 2-week period screenshot contest, which isn't just on Steam. This one is going to be on Discord and on Steam, so you can post either or places. If you post in both places, you get 2 entries. So it's slightly different to how we've done it in the past. This way gives you more chances to win, basically. And with this screenshot contest, the theme of this week is going to be Freebuild. So Freebuild, you can go into the Freebuild map and make a screenshot of something you make in the Freebuild map. It might be that you are going to go for a full, like, hardcore optimized factory. It might just be that you're a spaghetti mess just like me. Doesn't matter. It's Freebuild mode. We want to see your best Freebuild screenshots, and that will start tomorrow, so we'll do a proper post of that. But I've given you a little sneak peek of what that's going to be, so you can get started on your factories in Freebuild mode now, which is exciting. I am going to very quickly pop Be Right Back on whilst I open some windows, because I am melting, and it's no fun. So if you would be so kind as to give me a couple of minutes, I will be right back. I'm back. I'm back. Hello. There is a breeze in my room now. I can breathe a little bit. It is so warm in here. Is there going to be a speed running contest? I genuinely would love to arrange that. Like, that's something I would really like to see. We've talked about it before, like the first person to get to a certain point or do a certain thing or like a certain rank. We're still kind of discussing how we would want to do it. I would love to do that. My friend Nico Hart, who is a Twitch partner, is a speedrunner and does like games done quick and things like that every year. So I'm going to talk to him about it because I think that would be really fun. Why does that happen every time I come back on TikTok? Hang on, TikTok. Am I double everywhere or is it just on TikTok? Let me... Yeah, it does it every time. Hello, TikTok. Hopefully that has sorted it. You're special. Yeah, TikTok is special for sure. You get an extra 5 minutes at the end of the stream as well. You notice the version of the game is now... the post... So we, instead of doing a patch notes post, we did a news post. Because the update is that Freebuild mode is in it. So it wasn't an official, like, loads of fixes. So we did it a little bit different too. So it's the post, Aurora can grab the link for the Steam post and put it in the chat for you. But it basically tells you about Freebuild mode. It tells you that the tutorial has now got the inclusion of the fact that you can belt through miners. And then there was one fix that's in there. Thank you, Aurora. There's like literally one fix. That was it. So we didn't do like a traditional patch notes like we would normally do because there wasn't like a list of things, if that makes sense. Yeah, you can use that. Yeah, absolutely. So for those of you wondering what we're talking about, Twu is making our wiki page and it's amazing! You'd love to be trounced at speed running the early game. Okay. I can breathe. I'm going to try and do what I just saw. I'm going to try it, okay? I can't promise it's going to work, but I'm going to try. So, he had... I'm going to put him here. He had... The splitters doing this. Right? And then he tunneled... this to come out over here. Right? That's what he did. Yeah? Correct? Please tell me if I'm correct. And then he did the same thing, but over here. Right? Yes! Okay. We're getting there. She's getting there. Okay, first of all, let's make it, and then we can copy this. Hey, line up. There we go. There we go. Okay. And then I want to copy... I got it! I got it eventually, chat! It only took me 4 attempts, but I got it eventually. Modulus Academy is a damn good series, guys. It's a damn good series. You like twee. It sounds like roller coaster twee. Because you're a roller coaster of emotions. Ah. Reddish, autocorrect hates me. It hates me. Like, it's awful. So one of my son's favourite shows is a show called Sarah and Duck. And I'm a Brit who swears a lot. So every single time my mum's like, oh, what's Zach watching today? And I'm like, oh, Sarah and Duck. Guess what it corrects it to? Every time. Every single time. Okay. And now we can just do this. And that should be enough, right? Oh, although we don't need the splitters there. We just need to push it into there, right? Hang on. How? Maths. I only needed 3 lots. 60, 30, 30. Wait. Someone help! Someone help! Thomas! I needed to just go belts into those ones, right? Instead. Please tell me I'm correct. Instead of using these. Yeah, I just need the belts. Just waiting for chat to tell me because my brain has stopped. You've got enough for 4, I think. Since it doesn't cost anything, I would leave them with split. Okay. So I can do 1 more. 1 more, okay. But the next one would be just those going into it without the splitter, right? So it would be like this. Like that. Yes? And I don't need the tunnel on that end. There we go. La 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 la. Boom! You know what? I feel like someone needs to show... to go and tell David what I did. I think someone needs to go and tell David because I have never been this smart, ever. Thomas reminded me that Modulus Academy exists, despite the fact that I sat there and edited it for ages. I watched it. I'll get there. I'll get to efficiency view. But we think we have min-maxed the shiz out of that. Right. Okay. And now I need to make the other one over here. I am so proud of that. That's the best thing I've done. I need to screenshot it. Like, literally, this is the best thing I've done in the whole game ever. Oh, thanks, True. David was the one that, like, made the content. I just edited it. No, the game is not free, but the demo is. So you can try the demo on Steam, and if you like it, then you can purchase the game. Okay, right. This, I need to screenshot this. Print screen. Where are you, print screen? There you are. My screen's gone dark while I do this. She's beautiful. Can someone please tell David that I did this? I need him to be proud of me. I need my sensei to understand that I understand. It didn't have the merger? Do you mean the sorter? And that's because you have to unlock it in the tech tree. That's all. Yelled, David! Okay, right, let's go over here now. We need to do the other ones. We're taking too much time being prideful. Sinful. Prideful. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. La 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 la. I'm so proud of myself. Thomas, you have made my day by making me realise that I can do things. Thank you, Thomas. Okay, Robin, bye. Thanks for stopping by. What were we doing? Okay, we needed to make this guy. I know what it looks like. I've like made it like 1,000 times. You think he heard you? Good. I hope he did. Okay. Dip, dip, dip. Dip, 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 dip. Boom. We're going to probably end up doing the same sort of thing over here with the way that I work, so... Just saying, wait for the madness to happen again, because it's probably going to happen again. I love, like, I know it sounds silly, because I struggle with the logic side of it, because I'm a creative brainer, not a math brainer. But I really love it. Like, when I do manage to do something... look how freaking satisfying that is. It makes me so happy. Mr. Shaky! Hello! How are you? I don't know if Christian even saw that they won, by the way. They're not in chat anymore. Someone go and tell Christian in Discord that they won the giveaway for the Community Legends, because I don't think they even saw. Okay, right. Now we got the big blocks. The big blocks are going to come out at 15. Then we're going to cut the big blocks. No, we're not. We're going to colour the big blocks on this side, and then we're going to cut it there, and we're going to cut it there. We're going to... Come on. Thank you. Do this. Thanks, Aurora. And then we're going to do this. And then... That's going to output 60 on both, isn't it? Yes. Okay, right. Split time. Let's go. We're going to mirror it that way, so it takes up less room on this side. And then I want to cut the white ones and the black ones. One side needs cutting and one side doesn't on the black side, right? So this is where I get confused. Boom. And then that side doesn't need it. So that... Oh, wait! No, she's gone wrong. Because this is 60, so that's 30 and 30. I needed to do that again first, didn't I? I needed to do that again. She was wrong. She was wrong, guys. She was wrong. Because it needs to be 15 and 15, not... Oh, not R, Jarves, not R. There. Okay, and then the same here. That's outputting 30 into a 15, so I need to split it again first. I'm getting there. You won, Christian! You were away! So we did the wheel of names for the community legends, and you were the winner. So you get the community legends giveaway bundle, which will be a Modulus hoodie, which I showed off in the announcement channel yesterday, and one of the awesome, there you go, creator kits that has a beanie and the drone model and little stickers and the foldable bot. No one's made that yet, by the way. I really want to see the foldable bot. I really want to see it. We're doing another draw though, Mr. Shaky, for the screenshot ones at the end of the stream. So if you entered a screenshot in the screenshot contest, we are doing another one for that one at the end. Yeah, you won! So I will either DM you after stream or I will DM you tomorrow on Discord so that we can sort out your prize and stuff like that as well, because I need like your size for the hoodie and things like that. But yeah, congratulations. For this one, I would just worry about making one out of a thick wall shape and then copy that later. Wait, what? What? You don't win. Do you know what? I used to think that I never won anything, and then I suddenly did. I suddenly won stuff, and it was mind-blowing. I won like 2 giveaways in a row, and it was like, what? So never say never. Never say never, Mr. Shaky. Okay, so that is now 60 of the white ones. This is only 30 of those ones. Brain is stalling again. Because I'm making 60 of the half ones, but I'm only making 30 of the big ones. And I want... Because I don't have that yet. I don't have it yet. Okay. I haven't unlocked the tech tree yet. You do want twice as many half ones, right? No, because... Wait. Do I? No, because the shape only has one half one and one... Because they're black, whereas the white half ones I've got 60 of. I feel like I need this to be the same as this, and it's not. So should I, instead of doing this, colour this one and make 2 of those into... short ones, and then that would make 30 and 30 of the short ones. My brain! My brain! Hang on. Hang on. You could colour it all black and then colour some of it white. Hang on. Yeah, Christian, that's what you want. Just make a chain for making one the simplest way you know and ignore efficiency. Keep it simple first. Okay. But it hurts me, Thomas. It hurts me. Now that I know that I should be more efficient, it hurts my soul. I'm stalling. Okay, hang on. Right. Now they're all black, and then we'll recolor a little bit white later. So now we've just got the big blocks. So now we're gonna... 15 and 15. You weren't on the passenger list for that particular ship. Oh, Mr. Shaky. Thanks, Relish. I hope the rest of your work day is good. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. It was really nice to see you again. Okay. So now we got 60 and 60 of the the big like black blocks. Hi Alex, welcome in. Then I need, okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. 30 and 30. I'm going to okay. Thomas is on the YouTube, Christian. Everyone's in different places and I am like communicating between you like a weird little spatial demon that sees different elements of time at different times. Big black rocks. Brilliant. Love it. Big black blocks. Oh my god. Why can't I word? You'd think it was Friday afternoon, but it's not. It's Thursday. I've got a whole nother day. I've got a whole nother day of brain to do. To be fair, right? On Tuesday, I drove all the way to London from where I live, which is a 4.5-hour drive. Did a stage event, and then had to drive all the way back. And my brain is still on catch up from that day. So I did like 9 hours of driving in one day. And then because I drank so much coffee to stay like alive for the way home. Hi, warm custard. I literally was just there in bed like, I'm awake. I'm really awake. I couldn't sleep until like gone 3. I feel like I'm still on catch up from that. Oh, okay, Anton came in with that I like big blocks and I cannot lie. And now that's going to be in my head all day. Thanks, buddy. Thanks. Yeah, okay. Right. We're gonna cut to copy config is my favorite shortcut in the whole game. I love it so much. Hi, Caverto. Welcome in. Caverato. I can just see the AUTO and I want to call you Naruto. I know that's not what your name is, but this weeb can't help herself. Welcome in. Is your picture the guy from Art Attack? It's really small on my screen, so I can't really tell. And then I want to copy that, and I want to also do that over here. And then we'll make them white. Wait. Okay, so now we've got 30 of the short bit and the big bit. It still doesn't work. You've been following this game for a while and you really like it? That's so nice to hear. Thank you so much. Oh, it's you. From small, it looks like Neil Buchanan because you got the red jumper on and it... That's... I apologise. I'm really grateful that you joined the stream and thank you for being a follower of our game. I appreciate that. Okay. Thomas, why is the math so difficult on this? Because now I'm going to have 60 of the big ones, but I'm only going to have 30 of the little ones. And that hurts my soul. I'm going to remove this one and I'm going to do it later down the line, I think, so that I can chain it again. Because that's going to be 30 and 30. Hang on. We got 30 of those. We got 30 of those. And 30 of those. Right, we're going to chain it again. We're going to chain it again. We're going to... Oh, have I even cut them yet? Yeah, I have. Okay. $30. Yes, okay, right. brain is stalling. So I want to rotate. I'm gonna do this. You are literally watching my brain figure this out as I go. You switch to YouTube because Twitch is behind. Oh no, Twitch! Welcome to YouTube. You're currently playing as well? Nice, Chris. I like it. Are you on the new map or are you on the classic map? Okay. And then I'm going to... I'm going to do this. Okay. Okay. I need to do this twice for this, right? Because we've got 30 of each of these. Yeah? Yeah? I think. I think. Oh, wait. Hang on. I need to mirror them. There we go. There we go. And then delete those two little bits. And then I'm going to move that all back a little bit because it hurts my soul that there's space there not being utilised. There we go. Okay. These trees have got to go. I'm really sorry. You're beautiful, but you're in my space. There we go. Okay. Yeah, for me it's always the other way around as well, Aurora. What map are you on, Chris? Okay. So now I should have 30 of that creation coming out, right? And then I just need to add the little bit to it. But then I've got an extra... I've got one too many of this. There's something wrong. There's something wrong here. You have a lot more of the small ones, but I like that. Yeah, I do. I have more of the small ones. There's something not going right here. Normally I just make this one and there's no problem, but now I'm seriously doubting my life choices. Hi Pablo Cole, welcome in. You could combine the small ones first. Yeah, that's probably a better idea. But then I need to, I guess, belt under there and then bring it over. Yeah, okay. The joy of no penalties of deleting things. I love that so much. Okay, we're gonna do this. Hang on. We're gonna go this way. Wait, don't fight me. I will fight you back. No. No. Thank you. Sore throat. I always get a sore throat when I'm streaming. I talk way too much. I just want it to be symmetrical. I don't even need it to be on that side, but I want it to be. Okay, and then... No, I didn't want you to go around the corner. Behave. I wanted you just to go straight. There we go. Excuse me. Thank you. Then we need the splitter train situation, okay? Then we need the splitter train situation because those are both coming out of here and here. So that's 30. Yeah, that's 30. Okay, right, we're good. We're good. I doubted myself again, but I was correct. Right. I'm gonna... No, 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 no! Hang on. Okay. Concentration! Right. La 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 la! Alex, hello! Freebuild looks great. I had to update Steam when I woke up. Oh, I'm so glad you like it. It's, like we said, it's not replacing the classic map. It's just a different way to play. So if you want to carry on with the recommended puzzle elements of Modulus, you absolutely can. But if that frustrated you and you wanted the Freebuild sort of map, then you can now try that instead. And I really like the fact that we have that choice for people. I think that's really cool. Right. Oh, I fucking moved it! I freaking moved it and I didn't mean to. I wanted to copy. Okay. Alright. And then I also need to change those to be mirrored that way and that way. And then do this and this. And then bring that back because I don't want that little space there for no reason. Oh, I didn't move this as well. Hang on. There we go. Okay, now we've got 30 per minute of that being made, right? Yes. Yes. We're getting there. And it's tiny at least. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah. Okay. Then I'm gonna delete this, actually. And then instead of having a tunnel there, I'll just belt it across. There we go. And then this I am going to bring across here so that we have... That's 30. That's also 30. So this is now 60 on a belt, right? Yeah, okay. And this is going to come down here. So that's 60. This is 30. So we're still going to have too many of the black ones, I think. But... but at least we will be able to make 2 lots of these. So, I need... rotate, thank you. You. And you. And then I need you. You can just juke it and then do another trade. What do you mean juke it? Does that mean, like, get rid of it all and start again? I can't cope with that. We're going to live with the consequences of these actions because I can't do it again. I can't do it. Tunnel. Thank you. Okay, and then I need to copy you. And again, I need to change the layout of these. I do this every single time. Oh no, that one was already right. Okay. And then I want to move that one. Back one. And then I want to do that. I mean, you can... Juke is just dodge. Oh, I didn't know that word. Didn't know that word. You could pull the larger black pieces to the right and then you could train them as you did before. Oh. Too late. Too late. It's fine. Okay, and now we should have... I'm going to go around the back, actually. Hang on. La 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 la. I'm going to do this. That way. Does this want 2 of those? No, just 1 of those. Okay. And then we need the cores to come over here from this guy as well. I haven't really left a good place to... Oh, I'll put them over there. That's fine. Wait, is this building still not completed? What is happening here? Why are these... Wait. Oh, because we didn't finish doing that. What a boob. We didn't finish doing this. This is why. We only duplicated the first thing. We didn't do the second. What a boob. La 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 la. She was dumb. There we go. Fluxo! You raided us! Hi, buddy! Hi, buddy! That is one happy volcano. I am a happy volcano. Thank you, T-Jogswoken. Hi, Star! Welcome in! Hi, everybody from Fluxo's channel. I'm still laughing about that thing you and Bits did, Fluxo, the other day. It's too funny. Too funny. I've like clipped it and I'm gonna put it on Steam, by the way, like on our Steam post of one of my favorite things you guys have done is you guys trying to play Buckaroo with each other. That was amazing. Guys, if you don't know Fluxo, Fluxo is one of the best factory creators out there. Personally, one of my favorites. Just also an all-round really wholesome dude. So do go and give him a follow. Genuinely think the world of him, and his community are absolutely cracking. So make sure you do that. And thank you. Yeah, you're competitive by nature. Yeah, I can. The two of you, you're so funny. You're so similar to each other, and like, it just my face was hurting because I was laughing so much. Like, I was sat there, and my husband came upstairs. He was like, "Are you all right?" Because he thought I was crying because I was so loudly shaking with laughter. I was just like, just look at them. Look what they're doing. Oh dear. Okay, right. Fluxo is on Twitch. Yeah, Fluxo is on Twitch. He also has a YouTube channel, which he made a very good video about Modulus. You should check it out. Aurora could probably find that for you and link it in the YouTube chat. But welcome in, everybody. We are playing Freebuild, which is the new map. The new map. You dodged the institutes and found Twitch. I love it. Yeah, this is the new map. So we have a new way to play. We haven't replaced the original mode. The original classic map is still the recommended way to play Modulus, with terrain puzzles and thinking about the constraints and things like that as part of the challenge of the game. However, if you just want more space to build and a logical resource setup, you can do free build mode now instead, and that's what we're playing today. I have only done one island in almost 2 hours because I have been building more sensibly than I've ever built in my life, and I would just like to show you. Fluxo, go get food, babe, get food, that's fine. I would just like to show you how proud I am of this beautiful layout over here. I am not a factory aficionado. I am a factory enjoyer, but I'm not smart enough to be as good as some other people. Thomas, who is in the YouTube chat, helped me by reminding me that we have a series called Modulus Academy, in which our creative director gives tips on how to optimize your factory. And we watched it, and then we reproduced steps over here and made a beautiful setup for these buildings, which I am very proud of. This is still not outputting over here, though. We've still not got an optimal amount of these ones coming in because they're getting taken before they get here. So we need to go back to this, okay? I don't need to buy an island yet, Thomas. I'm fine on this island. This, to be fair, this is amazing for me. Like, normally, this amount of buildings, I've already taken up like 2 islands at least. Having a larger footprint for the island to start on, it's all on one, and I am so happy. But yeah, you can also buy islands. It's not just all on one factory, on one island. You can spread out. But I am enjoying making this compact and trying to make it fit all in one place. Right, this is stressing me out. This is not acceptable behavior over here. We're okay with these ones. These ones are filling the bout. So we've got 60 per minute of those being made. These, we've only got 30. So I'm going to have to... I'm not happy about this. We're going to scrap this and do this again. Because this is poo. This is... No. No. It is a big map. Look how pretty, David. David, look. David, look. Look what I did. Look what I did. Are you proud of me? Because I'm proud of me. I made it smart. It took me like 5 attempts, but I got there. Look at this. It's held up at the moment because I haven't got the cores going in there, so it's not doing anything. But look how beautiful this is. Thank you for the cheerleading, Mr. Shaky. I feel like I deserve that. We need to get a bot emote of cheerleading. I feel like we need an Atlas cheerleading bot. But yeah, this is not acceptable. We're doing this again. Thanks, Aurora. I'm proud of me too. You just copy it once more, you think? Theoretically, it's not working well. I'm going to make it differently, okay? I'm going to make it differently. I'm going to make a big cube. And then I'm going to cut the big cube. It is a double one, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Boom. I'm doing it my way. I'm not going to start singing, but I am doing it my way. Yay for the big cubes! Oh yeah, see, I'm not even making a cube. I'm just making an oblong and cutting him in half. And then that's going to output 30. And then I'll do that twice. And then I will do... copy this. No, copy this. Thank you. 1, 2. La 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 la. Other adventure movies are available, but that is the one I have in my head right now. There we go. All right, that's better. That's better. Now this one will finally start getting modules and actually output something, because he's just been sat there for ages. He's just been sat there for ages not being fed, and I feel really bad for him. These two are going to waste over here. All of these cores over here are getting used. This guy ain't happy. There's some kind of hold up here as well, though, to be fair, because there's not many bots being delivered. Have we delivered it? Where are we? I am slow, okay? But look what I did, Derek. I made it beautiful, okay? I'm not spaghetting this time, okay? I'm starting compact and I'm staying compact. It might be a bit more spaghetti-ish than most of you, but for me, this is a work of art. Okay? This is a work of art. And I'm bloomin' proud of it. I need to buy an island anyway. Which island are we gonna get? Look at all these choices we have now. That one doesn't have any resources on it. I feel like I'm gonna go with this one because I want the hexacrystals, so... Thanks, Atlas. Oh, look, we've already done 3 of those. Boom. We can't deliver the cores yet because they're not being made. I also actually need to put cranes onto those bits. That would help. Okay. Can we get another one of those buildings in there now? I think we probably can, can't we? I'm gonna reroute this to be a bit further around. No. I'm gonna do that instead. You like it? It's a shame it's not a choice for the story, though. What do you mean, George? The free build, you can absolutely do the campaign in free build, and you can still get all the achievements in free build. Is that what you mean? It's still the campaign. You can still play it exactly the same campaign. It's just a different map with a different layout. Unless I'm misunderstanding what you're saying, in which case, oh, cool. Okay, yeah, I did understand. But yeah, no, it is absolutely the same campaign. It's just a different way to do it. That's all. Oh wait, no, it's this one. There we go. Now we should get some more cores going. Are we running out of the other module now? Yeah, because we've only got 30. No, we have got 60. Have we got 60? 15, 15, 15, 15. Yeah. We got 60 a minute of those. So that should... We should get to the end with those, right? Yeah, it's not a new mode. It's a new map. It's a new map. Map. The naming of Freebuild and creative mode might get some people confused. Creative mode, however, is a different mode, right? Creative mode is nothing to do with the campaign. It's just creativity. It's just you being able to go in and build what you want. Whether you want to make wild pixel art or test setups, whatever it is you want to do. Whereas Freebuild map is just a different map type. That's why we tried to stay away from the mode word. Just spent 40 hours on the original map, seeing this makes it easy mode while the others is mid to hard mode. Yeah, I can see that. Oh, got another raid! Gibso, thank you so much. Welcome in. I need to start getting alerts because I don't get alerted. I only saw that came in because I happened to be looking at YouTube chat, and right in the corner of YouTube chat is my Twitch activity feed. So I saw it. Welcome in, everybody. Come on over. We are playing the new map in Modulus, which is Freebuild. And yeah, we're having some fun with it. I have made my most proud setup ever over here. How was your stream? What were you playing? Aurora, can we get a shout out for Gibbs, please? Okay, right. I am going to whack down this bad boy over here. I know. Excuse me. Okay. Data center. You can go here. One for each building. La. Pilled and Crumbly Rumble do give raid alerts and YouTube. Yeah, I haven't got alerts on because this is like an official dev stream, so we don't usually have alerts on. But I feel like now that we're past launch, we could probably have a little bit more fun with alerts. I think we could have some more fun. You have trained those too? I haven't even got that far yet. I was just going to deliver my first one. You were playing this? Oh, thank you so much for sharing our game with your community. I really appreciate that. Yeah, we'll add some alerts, I think. I think we can have a little bit more fun now that we're past launch. My factory is normally an absolute mess, Gibbs. This is like the most organized I've ever been, and even then it's not organized. If you look at the Discord and look at what other people have made, this is nothing. This is not organization. You, Link. They haven't got enough cores to output anything yet. There's still a problem with the cores over here. There's an issue. There's an issue. Make it work first, then make it fancy. Yeah, that is fair. I'm very confused about why... I feel like... Hang on. I don't understand what is going on over here. What have I done wrong? What have I done, Thomas? Is it because it can only take in... It can only feed 3 buildings? Have I mathed wrong? Which feed 4 cranes, and I've got 8 yeah, okay. Okay, I'm going to save. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to save. And I'm also... Chat is the bestie. That is the name of this save. I'm also going to switch to Big Jobs mode. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Big Jobs mode. Hello. And we're going to do another giveaway. So, everybody who uploaded a screenshot on Steam between launch and now has been entered into our big old wheel of giveaway. I can upgrade that later as well, can't I? Yeah, okay, that's fine. And I'm going to draw the winner of the screenshot contest. So every single person has been entered into this list that was on our Steam screenshot page. We are going to start another screenshot competition tomorrow. But for now, let's find out who has won the first screenshot contest of launch. Let's go. I tried to click it on OBS then. What a boob. Hang on. Here we go. Whee! Oh my god! Peacemaker? Peacemaker? Guys, I didn't know John Cena played Modulus. I didn't know. I am very excited about this fact. Peacemaker on Steam. I'm going to write this down right now so that I remember and I don't have to come back to the stream to find it. Peacemaker on Steam has won the giveaway. I will be in touch tomorrow. I am going to go and find the screenshot dimmer. That's what I'm going to do. And I also wanted to showcase some of the other ones because there are some amazing screenshots in the screenshot contest this time around. So back to no Jarves mode. This is the community tab on our store page, and you go to screenshots, and this is where all of the wonderful entries are. Look how, like, that looks so good. This is by Seba. I was so impressed with this. Their factory looks just so organized and pretty and colorful. I liked this one a lot. They are so smart with how they've made it all fit as well. That's some good moduling, I think. We need to find peacemakers, so we're gonna have to scroll through. I also thought this was beautiful. Look at the organization on this. Who did this one? Suwasaki did a really nice one here. I thought this was gorgeous. And then, look what Trix made. Trix always makes really cute things. Oh, it's been... Hang on. Let me see if I can move this on TikTok so TikTok can see it better. Hang on, TikTok. Let's move it to the middle. There we go. Look how pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Trix always makes us some really lovely things. The gift that we had that was Trix's dog, that was awesome. And then they also did a, like, moving thank you on a conveyor belt, which was also awesome. Like, Trix always makes cool stuff. The duck was really cool. That's by Mark Turner 10. How good is that? That was, I think, in creative mode. It looks like it was made in creative mode. Right, let's scroll through and see if we can find Peacemaker. Peacemaker, where are you? Looking for Amy. Welshie made a really... I showed this one in Slack the other day because this is stunning, Welshie. Look at the flowers Welshie made. Aren't these just... This is just beautiful. It's so gorgeous. That's a very organised factory. That puts mine to shame. Hetchu. Carl, 26. Mr. Sai! I shared this one, by the way, Sai, in our Slack this morning, because I thought this one was really, really cool. I think that's awesome. Spaghetti by Mook. That one's good. What have I done? The names of some of these are so good. There's Peacemakers. We found it. That is a very compact build right there. A very compact build. Well done to Peacemaker. I am still very happy about the fact that it's Peacemaker. Like, come on. How cool is that? So tomorrow we will be launching the next round of screenshot contest. And the next round of screenshot contest will be Discord and on Steam, to give you a chance to have multiple entries. If you put it in Discord and in Steam, you get 2 entries instead of 1 entry. And there's going to be a theme this time. So the theme to the screenshot contest starting tomorrow will be Freebuild mode. So whatever you want to do in Freebuild mode, have a play with it, put a screenshot either on Steam or on Discord or on both. You will be entered into another giveaway in 2 weeks' time. To give away some lovely Modulus merch, which I'm really excited to do because the merch is sick. But yeah, so we're actually going to look to raid someone now. I've been on for 2 hours. I will be back on Tuesday with Mick. Maybe we might change the day, because I think you guys enjoy having Mick on stream, and Mick can't do Tuesdays, so we might have a look at changing the day that we do the campaign build on. Because I think it's fun to have Mick here. He keeps me company. He makes me laugh. He's a wonderful bean. So yeah, let's go and raid somebody and share the love. Because we've had 2 amazing raids today. Let's share the love with somebody else. It's today. Let's share the love with somebody else. I hate it when I hear my own voice. It triggers me. Let's go to someone else who is playing Modulus. There are a few people playing right now. So I am going to pick someone that's playing in English, because that's what this chat is. That one is in German. Is this one in English? This one's in English. Okay, let's go over and raid Ron Empire, who I have not spent a lot of time in their chat. So this will be a new one. Let's go over there and hang out. If you're on YouTube, thank you so much for hanging out. If you're on TikTok, you know the drill. You get me for an extra 5 minutes after I've said goodbye to everybody else. Where we have our secret TikTok conversations. Invalid username? It's not an invalid username. Don't argue with me. There we go. Gah, how rude, Nightbot. Anyway, thanks so much, guys. I will see you all next week or in the Discord. Don't forget to check out Freebuild mode. Let us know what you think. Have some fun with it. And get those screenshots ready to upload from tomorrow. Because I will post when the competition starts. I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.